Hello everyone, welcome back. Right, this time I'm not sure what I'm going to be doing, although I have got to cut up that shell, so it's probably going to be mainly that. I'll get it down here in a minute, but I've been cutting this out. I've cut this other wing off. The front panel I couldn't salvage, so that's going in the bin. That's the one off of the sidewalk there as well, which was already cut off of it, but that's all rotten, so that needs to go in the scrap as well, along with the wing. Got both the wings from this, but yeah, I had to brace it up, and as soon as I started doing it, which I did manage to do it, but the gas ran out again. It's like ridiculous, because I don't know if you remember, but over Christmas I ran out of gas. I got a new bottle, so basically all I've done is welded in along here this bit and the bit up under the arch, which is not a lot of welding, and the bottle's gone again. And this ain't the first time. Oh look, absolutely nothing. So what I'm looking into now is getting a BOC bottle and paying the rent, because this is ridiculous. You should be able to do more welding than that with a new bottle. And yes, I turn it off every time in between welding. I turn it off at the tap. I'll run very, so there's hardly any gas coming out the torch at all, so it's running really low. But yeah, whether they don't fill them up properly, or whether the valves are dodgy. I've had some with dodgy valves, I'm not sure, but luckily I've managed to find the paperwork for it, because you pay a deposit on the bottle when you get it, and I have managed to find it, even though it was about 3 years ago, which is quite shocking. But yeah, it's rubbish. Oh yeah, the bits I cut off. This is really good, this is. Alright, there's a bit of the cover sill, lovely. And then there's the bit from the front, so we can see cover sill, original sill. I'll put it down so you can see cover sill there, inner sill, original sill. So that was slapped straight over the top, but that's not even the best bit. The inner sill further back where the seatbelt mount is, someone has literally bashed the inner sill in a bit so they could weld another one over, that you probably won't be able to pick it up on the camera, but down inside of there, oh yeah, you can just about. There's a nut for the original sill. So how many layers we got there? I don't know, loads. You got the sill they welded on, the original sill. No, that's not right, is it? I don't know, I think that it's had another bit put over the top as well. So I think we got another plate welded over the top, then another inner sill, then the original inner sill. I don't know, I'm confused. And then the outer sill with the cover sill over the top. That's horrendous. That is so heavy. This car will fly when it's done. There's so much weight in that. But yeah, so I'm a bit stuck for doing any more on this. I can continue to cut it out, but I can't weld anything back in yet. And where I've cut the wing off as well, there's a nice big old blob of, yeah, fiberglass filler, but we can sort that out. I've had a feel up inside and it doesn't seem to go too far, so we'll just do the same. We might have to come up a bit further on this one, because you can see it's bubbling up there. But yeah, so that's where I am with that. So let's move my car out of the way, get that, have a shell down here, and I'm going to cut that up, get it gone. It's rotten as a pear. I'll walk you around it quick. Alright, there it is. It's an absolute mess. So I've already cut out pieces that I'll use to repair the shock mounts on the other one, so that's gone. But yeah, boot floor's all rotted out, all the rear valance right across the back, all the way along there. More of the floor, got a random cut there, really bad repair there. Quarter panel's rotten, it's got a cover sill on this side, and all the floor's rotten. Toe board's rotten. More rot down there. Wings, not too bad, but it's still rotten. I was going to use that wing. I was going to use some of this to repair the other side, but even this is all rotten as well, so that never happened. So I'm just going to take a couple of brackets and little bits of pipe and stuff off, but yeah, more rot down in there, more rotten floor, basically every part of it. Pillars are rotten. I was initially going to do it to rebuild the 74, but it's so rotten, it's just not worth the effort. So yeah, let's cut it up into small bits and my mate can take it in his van. Right, so I didn't end up filming none of that, forgot to hit record, but yeah, I've cut all that out now. All of that, it was rotten. I've kept a couple of bits and pieces. I need this bit for the sidewalk mini that I've got, and I might need some cuts out of that, so I kept that. And a bit of the bulkhead, the pockets, even though they're rotten at the bottom, but we might be able to use them. We can't use them if we ain't got them. Yeah, so I'll get rid of all that lot and cleared a bit of space in the garage. So yeah, not much going on this week really, but yeah, thanks for tuning in, and once we get this gas bottle sorted out, we'll be back on it.